Welcome back to the deep dive. We're continuing our exploration into the material you shared from Emmanuel Backer's book, Startup Process Improvement, Volume 1, Turning Chaos into Cash.
Yeah, it's a really crucial next step, isn't it? Moving from just understanding that process-first mindset we dug into last time
Right.
towards actually making that mindset, actionable,
I know.
sustainable.
Exactly. Last time, we really hit on Baccar's process-first revolution flywheel, how it positions processes not as, like, red tape,
Mm-hmm.
but as real enablers
Mm.
for speed, quality, even innovation. Surprisingly, it really challenges some assumptions.
It definitely does. And today, well, our mission is to unpack Bakari's unified magic methodology and his startup methodology integration framework.
Okay.
It's really about how combining these powerful methods, Lean, Six Sigma, Agile, Kaizen, how that mix creates something, well, bigger.
So it's not just about picking a favorite method,
Right.
but thinking one's better than the others.
No, exactly. It's about blending them strategically to get these holistic, adaptable operations. And, this is key, how this integrated approach helps startups avoid those, common killers.
Right. So for you listening, this deep dive should give you a pretty practical framework, something you can use to weave these methods together, drive some real growth and agility.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get into this unified magic.
Oh, good. Let's do it.
When you mention Lean, Six Sigma, Agile, Kaizen,
Mm-hmm.
they often feel like they live in different worlds, don't they?
Oh, absolutely.
People sometimes talk like you have to choose, are we a Lean shop
Oh.
or are we an Agile shop?
Yeah, that siloed thinking is incredibly common, almost like process improvement tribes or something. But Bakari just cuts right through that. His core idea is that the real power, the unified magic, comes from combining their strengths.
So it's more than just they work well together. There's a real synergy there, something you just can't get from one method alone.
Absolutely. Think about like a toolbox. You don't just own a hammer.
Right.
You've got a hammer for nails, a screwdriver, maybe a wrench for bolts. And sometimes you need the hammer first, then the screwdriver on the same project.
Okay, yeah.
It's knowing when to use the right tool or maybe a couple of tools together for the specific job you're doing. That orchestration, that's where the magic is.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so let's break down these 4 pillars of unified magic. First one, Lean. Most people probably associate Lean with, cutting waste. How does Bucky frame it for a startup specifically?
Well, for a startup, Lean is about being absolutely ruthless in eliminating anything that doesn't directly add value for the customer, or anything that just eats up your resources, time, money, effort, without a real payoff.
So finding those hidden costs.
Exactly. Bakary stresses how Lean helps you spot those friction points, those delays, the unnecessary steps that often just